Welcome, fellas, to this new video, guys, Auto Express. Today, let's talk a little bit more about what if you get no sales. This is the most frustrating problem into the e-commerce if you're using Shopify. So, there's good news because we are going to be using a few fixes, usually simple and effective. So your store isn't selling because you have a conversation problem, not a traffic problem. So people are leaving because something is breaking their trust or confusing them. So usually the reason number one could be the lack of trust and social. Now the problem, your store looks fake or brand new. No one wants to be the first person to buy something. So nobody wants to take the actual risk. So to fix this, you want to get social proof immediately. You want to install a reportable review application. If you're dropshipping, you want to import reviews with photos from your supplier. If you sell a unique product, you want to ask friends, your family to buy and leave honest reviews. For example, if I am making dropshipping and I am selling, for example, this specific product, nobody wants to buy this product because we don't have absolutely any reviews about it. I have the option to make an actual review. You can be your first customer. You can add more information about it. For example, let's say, loved it. I really enjoyed this product. And you can import real images of real persons who have purchased this specific product. And you can import them, for example, in here into the picture video. So I can go, for example, from AliExpress. I can look out for this specific product, which is the dog cooling bandana. I paste it in here. I select for the actual right product that I have just imported into my website. It should be something like this. So I download out one of my reviewed images. Usually appears inside here. Usually in here. So I just copy and paste them, and I have my first review. This could be bringing more trust between the people who are just getting into my website. Now, reason number two could be the bad product photography. If you're making some drop shipping, well, unfortunately, you might be wanting to use another profile picture or try to look for something a little bit more professional than just adding the actual product that it was imported directly from the dropshipping support. So you might want to take in mind what kind of product you're actually selling and try to, let's say, make, of course, to upgrade some visuals, to show the scale, a hand holding the angles, to aim for at least 5 different images in one short video clip of the product in action. So you wanted to take that in mind so you can have a clear background and a clear visual of the product you're actually selling. Now the reason number 3 is to confusing the pricing or the shipping cost. This happens really a lot. Now people hate unexpected cost. So if you're seeing a $7 product turn into $17 product, for example, this might be the number one reason for the cart abandonment. So you want to take that in mind when you're selling a specific product. To help solve this problem, what you can do is to offer free shipping and add the shipping cost directly into the actual price, so they can see the real price of the product plus the actual shipping cost, so they don't have to have this unexpected elevated costs. And the reason number 4, for example, are features, no benefits. So your product description, for example, lists features, but they don't sell the actual solution. You want, of course, to tell shoppers what to know how the product will improve their life. If I am selling, for example, this interactive screen wireless gaming controller, I can tell how much benefits is to have a wireless controller. That this one not only works for iOS, but for Android as well. And I can talk a little bit more about this specific product and the functionality. This is going to be really important when it comes to offering the right product. And usually the slow website speed. But this, for example, just to fix this, you can optimize your images. Try to don't import really unoptimized photos. Use a free tool that can shrink the file size, and you can still have the same resolution of the images. So if you implement just 3 of this, I guarantee you will start seeing those first sales roll in. Like all the actual subscribers that have created websites with us. So with that being said, guys, we have now reached the very end of the video, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. This was very useful for you. Don't forget to tell us what are the actual products you're actually selling into the Shopify store. You can leave us your URL so we can check your stores and we can see what we can do about them. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully with all of this been said, we can all see you guys next time.